Hello, and welcome to our lesson on project leadership. This segment will cover managing versus leading a project. In an ideal world, a project manager would develop a detailed plan, implement it, and the project would complete and succeed as expected. This requires collaborating with others to recruit project team members, develop the plan, monitor progress, take corrective actions, and communicate the next steps. However, reality seldom aligns with perfection. Project participants may clash, fail to complement each other, and technical glitches may disrupt the workflow. The project manager's role extends beyond initial planning. They must navigate challenges, expedite activities, troubleshoot technical issues, influence, negotiate, motivate, resolve conflicts, and serve as a mediator when tensions arise. Balancing time, cost, and scope becomes a delicate challenge for project managers. Project managers innovate and adapt to evolving circumstances. They often find themselves deviating from the original plan, introducing significant changes in project scope and schedule to respond to unforeseen threats or opportunities. Changing customer needs, the emergence of competitive products, breakdowns in working relationships among team members, these are all challenges that demand adjustments. The end result may differ significantly from the project's initial vision, requiring managers to be agile and responsive in the face of unexpected twists and turns. Project managers bear the responsibility of integrating resources to complete projects as planned, motivating and inspiring resources to achieve project goals, ensuring the optimal resource utilization, while at the same time creating a supportive environment. Management copes with complexity, ensuring order and ensuring stability through planning, structuring, monitoring, and corrective actions. Leadership, on the other hand, addresses creating the vision, building the right team environment, aligning people with new directions, and motivating them to overcome hurdles produced by the change. Leadership can be defined as the process of influencing the behavior of others to achieve predetermined goals willingly and enthusiastically. Leadership relies on using non-forceful methods to determine vision, goals, motivate others towards achieving these goals, set the right environment for the team to work and support them to achieve goals. Leadership may continue to mean different things to different people since there are more than 200 definitions for leadership. However, leadership can be conceptualized in some central characteristics as leadership is a continuous process of behavior. It is a transaction where the leader affects and is affected by followers. Involves influence, or how the leader affects followers. Takes place in groups where a leader influences more than one individual. Common goals, where leader and followers share a common goal or purpose. Leadership is a property of the project, not the project manager. Leadership is an individual and organizational trait. Leadership effectiveness is underpinned by the implementation of the following principles: shared vision, mission, and values. Leaders should foster a shared vision, mission, and set of values that guide individuals in focusing on their contributions and unleashing their full potential. Fearless communication environment. Establishing an environment that encourages fearless communication is essential. This involves promoting accurate and honest feedback, as well as encouraging self-disclosure. Readily available information. Leadership effectiveness involves ensuring that information is easily accessible to all relevant parties. Transparency and open communication contribute to a well-informed and engaged team. Trust and respect. Leaders should cultivate an atmosphere of trust and respect as the norm. This foundational principle contributes to a positive and collaborative work environment. Inclusivity and patience. Effective leaders exhibit inclusivity and patience, demonstrating genuine concern for each individual within the team. This approach fosters a sense of belonging and encourages the development of a supportive work community. Resourcefulness and willingness to learn. Leadership effectiveness requires leaders to showcase resourcefulness and a continual willingness to learn. Adapting to new challenges and seeking ongoing improvement contribute to a dynamic and evolving leadership style. Environment stimulating extraordinary performance. Finally, leaders should actively work to create an environment that stimulates extraordinary performance. This involves setting high expectations, encouraging innovation, and providing the necessary support and resources for individuals to excel. Management and leadership share some common characteristics as they involve influence despite in different ways. Management utilizes authority, while leadership relies on interpersonal skills. They both require working with a group of people or a team. Both work to effectively achieve goals. We need both management and leadership to succeed. There are also many differences between management and leadership. Some of them are management, planning, budgeting, and allocating resources, organizing, recruiting, structuring, developing, and monitoring resources, controlling, problem-solving, and decision-making. Focus on efficiency, predictability, order, and achieving results. Leadership, establishing direction and vision, aligning team through communication and being a role model, motivating and inspiring the team, focus on effectiveness and creativity in addressing challenges. The need for leadership intensifies with the level of uncertainty a project encounters. In well-defined projects with minimal surprises, strong leadership might be less crucial. However, projects dealing with uncertainties, whether in scope changes, technological challenges, or breakdowns in coordination, require robust leadership. For example, a software development project, where industry developments constantly alter parameters and technology advances at a rapid pace, demands strong leadership to steer through the dynamic landscape. A successful project manager must embody both managerial and leadership skills. Some individuals excel as visionaries, inspiring change, but may struggle with the organizational details of day-to-day management. Conversely, those highly organized and methodical may lack the ability to inspire. The value of a good project manager lies in their capability to balance both roles effectively. Recognizing the need to manage project interfaces and build a social network, they ensure effective communication and collaboration, allowing them to navigate the complexities of projects and obtain the necessary cooperation to achieve success. This is the end of this segment of our lesson. In the next segment, we shall discuss leadership styles. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening and see you on our next segment.